Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Central and the peripheral chemoreceptors. So the first one, let's look at the location. The location of the central chemoreceptor. The central chemoreceptor location is the ventral aspect of the medulla. So what is present in the ventral aspect of the medulla? It is the central chemoreceptor. So what about the peripheral chemoreceptor? The peripheral chemoreceptor is located at the carotid bodies, and that is nothing but the bifurcation of the common carotid artery. The bifurcation of the CCA and the aortic bodies. Whereas the aortic bodies is nothing but the arch of the aorta. Then comes the stimulus. So in case of the stimulus, what is the central chemoreceptor? There is arterial PCO2 and also the H plus ions. The arterial PCO2, there is a H plus ion which is sensitive to the changes in the arterial PCO2, but stimulus is H plus ions in the CSF. Now peripheral chemoreceptors, the stimulus is being the arterial PO2. So in central chemoreceptors is the arterial PCO2 and the H plus ions. In the peripheral chemoreceptors is the arterial PO2. So arterial PO2, and this is in dissolved form as well as the PCO2. So PCO2 as well as the H plus ions. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.